Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads you do not have sufficient access to uninstall program. Please contact your system administrator. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to turn off user account control. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung user account. Ayan. And automatic mga kaibigan na makikita mo dito yung change user account control settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na tong user account control settings at dito lang sa left side, and then makikita mo dito yung always notify and then yung never notify. So ang gagawin natin dito ay slide down natin itong arrow na yan. So slide mo lang siya into never notify. So once mag-open ka ng app, so automatic po yan mga kaibigan na mag-open na po siya. So wala na siyang restriction na kailangan mong i-click OK, alright, or i-approve. And then after dito, and next step ay to check and modify your registry editor. Alright, kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na tong registry editor, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan and select mo lang dito yung export. And dito sa export registry file, and select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And I would suggest and recommend to create file name must be with a date. So kailangan mo lang lagyan ng date, and after that, and select mo lang dito yung save. Alright? And if you needed to import it back, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select lang yung file dito sa taas, and select mo lang dito yung import. And dito sa import registry file, and kailangan mo lang i-locate kung saan mo sinave yung file, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And start na tayo. So ang gagawin natin is to uninstall the path for 32-bit applications. Okay, so kung paano ba natin gawin? So next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So double click ka lang. And then next ay kailangan mong i-select dito yung software folder. So double click ulit. And next step, kailangan mong i-select dito yung Microsoft folder. So double click ulit. And then next step, kailangan mong i-locate dito yung Windows. So scroll down lang ulit tayo and select natin dito yung Windows and double click ulit dito sa Windows folder. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung current versions folder. So double click ulit. And then dito sa current versions folder, and next step, scroll down and locate dito yung uninstall. Alright, so ito siya. And then dito sa uninstall ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung software mga kaibigan. Alright, so for example, itong Explorer Patcher mga kaibigan, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side panel ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display name. And then makikita mo naman dito yung kanyang data na Explorer Patcher, same dito. And then next step, so once the program is found, find uninstall string and double click. So locate mo dito yung uninstall string, ayan, and double click ka lang. And dito sa kanyang edit string, at dito lang sa kanyang value name na uninstall string, and dito sa kanyang value data, and then kailangan lang natin itong i-remove. Alright, so remove natin yan, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next step, so close lang natin itong registry editor at dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix you do not have sufficient access to uninstall program error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.